If I take you back, did this girl in a school in Sangli ever imagine acting, being famous?
Not at all. I was into sports. I was a total tomboy. I used to play relay. I used to play shot put. And
Is this industry safe?
yes, I think it is up to you as well.
Right.
I mean, how you conduct yourself.
Correct.
What all do you want to put at stake? All these factors.
What did you say yes to when Matka King came to you?
Nagraj Manjule.
Yeah. What do you use your social media for? Ideally, what would you like your Instagram to be?
I like clean aesthetic.
Okay.
I like lot of nature pictures.
Uh,
I love all those fashion pictures.
Fashion tech person, and do you use tech?
Not at all. I don't own a laptop.
What?
I don't know how to use a laptop.
Are you used to fame and attention?
Oh, that's a good question. Hi, I'm Sai and you are watching me on Bollywood Hangama.
Sai, welcome to Bollywood Hangama. I'm very excited to do this interview. I've been watching your work for a long time and finally getting a chance to talk to you.
Thank you for doing this.
Right. But because it's my first interview with you, I'm going to take you back. मुझे थोड़ा पहले का भी जानना है. I'm sure a lot of your fans have already seen many interviews, but this is for a, let's assume, this is for a full new audience.
Yes.
Clean slate से शुरू
Sure.
करें. So you were born in Sangli and you did, how long were you there? Like if I take you back, did this girl in a school in Sangli ever imagine acting, being famous?
Not at all. I was into sports. I was a total tomboy. I used to play kabaddi. I used to play karate. I used to play relay. I used to play shot put. And never in my dreams had I thought that I would act or, do these kind of things on camera. It's really, I mean, not in my wildest dreams. But I did a play when I was in college. And I think that changed everything. And it sort of defined what I'm going to do ahead.
Right. But then when did the move happen? What was your first on-camera experience that you felt ki this industry is interesting?
My first, I was very naive and very new. I did not have any knowledge of cameras or my good angles, good profile, nothing. I think it was for Style Check.
Okay.
For MTV.
MTV, yeah.
Yes. And so you're supposed to send pictures and you get selected for a makeover.
And yeah, they
So
did.
मैं वैली बैठी college में I just send pictures and I got selected for a makeover.
And these experts do your makeover.
Yeah. And that was quite interesting. I still have the video. I don't know where it is, but when I mention my age, I say 17 and a half exactly. So yeah, it's been a while.
Wow. And then you shifted to Mumbai. What was that decision? And was the family completely supportive at that time? Did you come with them? Did you come by yourself?
My dad was a shippy.
Yes, right.
So quite open and nice, playful atmosphere at home. My masi, my aunt used to be in Mumbai. So I've always loved the city right from the beginning, right from my teens. I did my play in college and then I got selected for a daily soap.
Right.
A Marathi daily soap.
soap. Yeah.
That's when I came to Mumbai and then there's no looking back.
Who if I take you to your, out of your family, friends, who was that person who knew that, who was convinced that you will make it, who supported you through and through?
Well, nobody knew, nobody expected.
But
there are a lot of people who still are with me. If I have to name some, Rahul Gidwani karke mera dost hai. He's a college friend.
Okay.
He's been with me.
Nice.
Nikhil is somebody who's been with me since I was in school.
Right.
There are a lot of people. My mum, my masi, lots of them.
Nice. Are these friends, or do these friends tell you when you're good, when you're not good? Are they, or what happens with actors is that everybody around you will praise you. People.
They are too blunt and too honest. Sometimes I say, guys, thoda to sugarcoat kar lo. But I think you need such people.
You need such people.
people who show you the mirror every once in a while. It keeps you rooted, grounded. It's a nice space to be in.
Right. If I just largely ask you, how has your experience been in the movie business? Has it been a good experience? Will you recommend this to young girls and boys who want to enter?
100%. I
Okay.
think if you do your work with really with honesty, no cheating, no
Correct. Yeah.
with utmost discipline, yes. And I think this is a passion driven field.
Yeah.
So whatever you take up, you're not supposed to crib about it.
Yeah.
You know, it is like that. It is the truth.
Right.
So I think if you have a strong heart, yes, why not?
Right. What does it take? How does one better the art? Like, someone like you already knows acting, you already know your job, you do it very well, we watch it. But art is something that can always be bettered, polished. What do you personally do to keep that side?
I think practice
Yeah.
makes it good, polished. Now I would say unlearning at
Yeah.
some point, thoda sa. Sometimes not bothering about how you are looking, what are your best angles, are you standing at your best angle, not getting entangled in these
Right.
frivolous things. It's a mixture. There are a lot of factors.
Right. And like, say, what after a point, what did you unlearn? Ki yaar, ye ho gaya mera. I don't want to do this anymore.
You have a rhythm, your
Right.
body, your breathing has a rhythm, because over the years you've been doing the same thing and you've been approaching more or less the same way that you approach every character. So to sort of change that, it's a little effort, but
Correct.
ho jata hai, and
Ho jata
it
hai.
is important to recognize it, I think.
Right. Like, say if someone is about to join the industry and they're considering, they're not in Mumbai. Firstly, is you being a woman living in Mumbai, is it a safe place even today?
100%. 100%. I say this without a lot of with a lot of pride.
Right.
Our working hours are really difficult, different.
Yeah.
And yes, Mumbai is still like, I love my Mumbai rickshaw rides.
Yeah.
I
You do that often?
Yes, I still do them, and they are a lot of fun. I think it clears my head.
It clears your head. I asked you, is the city safe? Is this industry safe?
Yes, I think it is up to you as well.
Right.
I mean, how you conduct yourself.
Correct.
Where is your stop line? How far are you willing to go? What all do you want to put at stake? All these factors. And I think, yes, you can achieve what you want to achieve with your talent.
True.
And talent only.
Talent only. Right. So, when people come, and there will be always people around who will say, no, you should socialize, you should go for parties, you should meet people. ये करना पड़ता है या नहीं?
It's a very tricky question, okay? I wouldn't say I have found my center in all of this,
Okay.
but I always try to, I always strive to. But what I have realized is, I go to places where I really want to go, feel like going, because going somewhere also is a very, it's a big effort. You have to get ready,
Correct.
you have to
Yeah.
be conscious of how you're looking,
Yeah.
what you're wearing. And I feel at the end of the day, your work stays, it speaks
Right.
beyond everything else.
Correct.
पर ये समझने में थोड़ा time जाना पड़ता है.
But again, like, like, is anything mandatory कि ये करना ही चाहिए, parties पे जाना ही चाहिए? Is it?
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि from time to time you should not shy away from asking for work from people you know.
Yeah.
Directors, writers, friends, and time to time, yes, go for parties
And
that you
meet
like,
people, right.
a bunch of people that you know, a bunch of people that you want to know. I think it's nice. It's not always I'm here for
Right.
marketing,
Yeah, correct.
or I'm here for PR, or
Yeah.
it's not always like that.
True.
You eventually make friends, and you
Yeah.
want to meet them.
True. The actresses before y'all had had a great time also and a tough time also. When I interview, say, someone like Madhuri Dixit ma'am, and she, she says that there was just one female on the set who was my makeup artist. Baki everyone was a male. Today, if we see this small
Yeah.
crew also,
Yeah.
it's almost as number of women
Yes.
as men.
Yes.
That way, I think you all have had it better in every way.
It's a work in progress,
Okay,
always.
it's a work in
I
progress.
think today I see women not being used as ornaments in the story.
Correct, yeah.
Today, like you said, there are more number of women
On the
there in
set.
all departments.
Correct, yeah.
I see. I've been seeing a lot of women in camera department,
Yeah.
which is amazing. ये पहले नहीं होता
नहीं
था.
होता
It's a
था.
rare. So I think women are opting for not only for a profession like ours, but something technical, something more behind the camera, and
Yeah.
that's a wonderful sign.
Right. And also your generation, you all have social media, which is again a
Yeah.
great place. Say if someone approaches you with something that he's not supposed to say and something inappropriate, you can obviously give it by yourself, and two, there's always this fear that people have that, yeah, what if she puts it on social media? What if she calls me out? This is a
Oh, yeah.
great weapon that I think you all have. Did you ever think like that?
मैंने रिवर्स नहीं सोचा था.
हाँ.
It's a very interesting angle कि
Right.
the other side भी थोड़ा
Yeah.
थोड़ी fear होती होगी,
I'm
which is
sure.
a good thing.
होना भी चाहिए.
होना भी
Yeah.
चाहिए because I think वो respect या थोड़ी तमीज वाला जमाना is far gone.
Yeah. Sad. Yeah.
And people do not realize what they say when they say things. It's really wild out there, and I
Yeah.
think you have to protect your peace, you have to protect yourself, and for that, if these are the means, then why not?
Why not? What do you use your social media for? Ideally, what would you like your Instagram to be?
I like clean aesthetic.
Okay.
I like a lot of nature pictures.
Huh.
I love all those
Yeah,
fashion
yeah,
pictures.
fashion
I
pictures.
love getting ready and getting clicked.
Right, which you're great at. So perfect it is. Yeah.
I mean, earlier I did not approach it like that. I approached it very like a job.
Okay.
But then later I got my groove, I guess, and I love it. It's a nice part of my job.
Right. Is it just your handle? Is it just your work handle, or you would like to keep it ki yaar, I want to put the nature pictures? Because I know what happens is people tell you, yaar, ye mat dalo, this is your work handle, a director is watching, a producer is watching. Is it a business place for you?
Yes and no. I think it is somewhere in between. I would want to share with people what I
What your life
experience,
is, yeah.
okay? But up to a point, I would not want people to peep in my personal life that
Okay.
way. So I'm that way very. I wouldn't say I'm reserved, but
Correct.
I'm very moody. Moody Instagrammer,
Okay.
you can say.
Right.
मतलब मुझे भी बोला जाता है कि मैम बहुत दिन हो गए कुछ पोस्ट करो. I'm like I don't feel like posting, so it's very moody, and I would want to keep it that way.
Right. Is it एक जनरल सा सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन इफ समवन टू आस्क, क्या अभी काम मिलना इज यू हैव रीच्ड अ पॉइंट जहाँ काम मिलना इज लाइक, हाँ मुझे तो काम मिलेगा, but do you get the work that you want as per your taste, as per your ambition, as per your dreams, as per what you want to do? वैसा काम आ रहा है?
Yes and no, and I
Okay.
think it is never going to be fulfilling. You will always
Should
want
not,
more. However, I make sure that my release is different from the previous one. And
that's what.
thankfully, God has been kind. There's been no gap in that. It's been
Yeah.
consistent.
Consistent.
However, I also feel sometimes एक कुछ आप कर देते हो, वो character becomes a hit, or that series or a movie becomes a hit, then you're asked to do
Same thing again.
similar kind of, and
Right.
it's a very there is a silver lining of this,
Yeah.
in heavy silver lining of this, and I have experienced it. And the only way to battle it is to say no, which is difficult because you're saying
How
no
do
to
you-
work,
to work,
eventually.
yeah.
But yeah, you got to be patient. There's no other way, I guess.
Right. Is it a see there are two things. One is getting typecast, but वो typecast में क्या होता है बहुत काम का ऑफर आते रहते हैं कि every time they want this girl they'll go to that girl.
Correct.
Or you can choose variety कि I want all this in my filmography, but
Yeah.
then you have to wait.
Yeah.
Which is the easy one, which is the tough one?
दोनों का अपना अपना है pros and cons, but I prefer waiting.
Okay.
In waiting, I also know how I react in waiting, and that is also something to observe.
हाँ.
As a person, as an actor,
Yeah.
I also get to know how restless I get if I'm not working.
Absolutely, yeah.
It's nice. It's a nice session with yourself.
Yeah.
I guess. But for somebody who wants to be working and somebody is okay with doing the similar stuff, they want to present it in a different way. To each its own. But
Correct.
for me, I think it's waiting it out.
Right. ये जो waiting का period होता है, what do you do to stay sane? Because this waiting period can drive people crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes I allow it to drive me crazy.
Okay.
Sometimes I cook. I love cooking.
Oh, nice.
I think it's a great way to clear your head again. My rickshaw rides
Yeah.
increase.
Right.
When I fly, I paraglide.
Oh, wow.
So that's another
Nice.
way
That's
that I
great, yeah.
really enjoy. So I think these tools are
Right.
nice enough.
This is out of curiosity. What do you cook? What are you good at? What is your go-to?
हमारा डेली खाना रोटी सब्जी all kinds of dals, chicken, pasta, yeah.
Wow. Matka King just came. I watched about 4 or 5 episodes. I thoroughly enjoyed it, and I liked
Thank you.
every character. Your character, Vijay's character. I think it's a very well written show. I'm from Mumbai, so for
Yeah.
me to just hear, I've heard so all kinds of stories. What did you say yes to when Matka King came to you?
Nagraj Manjule.
Yeah, absolutely. yeah.
RKF, because I really wanted to see Vidya ma'am.
Yeah.
I wanted to meet her.
Yeah.
And of course, the character, the story, I think Matka is something कि आपको ऐसा लगता है कि oh, she's playing a wife, but there is so much more to
Yeah.
it, and to say something that Barkha says in the 1960s and 75s, I think it's quite progressive.
Yeah.
And it was a nice to be a part of her and to convey that
Right.
to people, which is still relevant.
True, and these are the people, not just this character. You'd see in real life from that time till now, politicians or whoever, wives play a very important role in these lives, in all the decision making everywhere.
I think they are thankless soldiers.
Yeah.
I mean, उन पे अगर बायोपिक्स बनेंगे तो
Yeah.
ऐसे बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग कहानियां सामने
Much
आएंगी.
better. That's true. Much better. I think कहानियाँ सामने आएंगी. I liked you in Dabba Cartel also.
Thank you.
I think that was a exceptionally well made series. It was made, and also to see so many women,
Yeah.
everyone, each one of you were always shining in
Banger
that.
cast, I must say.
What were
Yeah.
I didn't meet you at that time. What was that like? Did you all was it like a big all women party there?
Some sets you really look forward to go to.
Yeah.
It was one of those sets. I really would look forward to go to that set. We would build scenes, we would laugh, we would eat together. We all were admirers of each other's work. So it was a great experience, and I hope there is season 2, and I can't wait to be a part of it.
How often do these sets come where you're like, I want to go to this set?
I generally like being on set.
Oh, you like being on set.
I love being on set. However, not every time, but there are sets that you really want to go and you really look forward to go. Then when the show wraps or the film wraps, it's a mixed feeling day.
Yeah, how to move on.
Oh man, it's a roller coaster. I think this is one of those bitter parcels of our profession
Correct.
कि attach होके फिर detach
फिर
होना.
detach होना.
It's quite a ride.
फिर full new sets के साथ attach होना.
It's quite a ride.
That's true. Does it come easy to you or no?
No.
Not
not
that's the
at
tough
all.
part.
Yeah, not
But are
at
you
all.
someone who will be in touch with your co-actors? Is it possible?
Not everyone,
Right,
but
yeah.
yes, you find your
You find your
tribe, and you know, so like that, yes.
Um, which set, if I ask you ki ek set which has been your best memory till now in everything that you have done, which
Oh,
set
wow.
would you like to go back to?
I'd like to go back to Mimi's set.
Yeah, you
I'd like to go back
yeah.
to Dunyadari's set.
Nice.
I'd like to go back to Rakshas's. There are many.
Right, right. Mimi did give you a lot of appreciation,
Yes.
right? Like you got, I mean, I'm sure you got a lot of love. Wha can we say that was a good turning point where, you know, you were in a all Hindi mainstream commercial film getting so much love?
Let me put it this way. मेरे अंदर का इंसान एक्टर थोड़ा शांत हो गया उसके बाद. You know,
Yeah,
it
yeah.
felt like okay, okay, somebody seeing my work,
Yeah.
or you know, not just it's not region specific anymore,
Yeah.
and that's a lot to take in,
Right.
and it's a good feeling.
Yeah, I'm sure. I think personally, think you are someone you moved on from this region specific thing. I see you in, you know, I just saw you in Matka King. I saw you in Dabba Khattal.
Yeah.
So I keep seeing you so regularly. I don't see this, but do you think people still see this?
Yes, I think tags are inevitable. People will tag you, people will box you, but I think what you really can control and do is keep your head down and keep working.
Right.
If you decide to get entangled in these tags, then it's a never-ending journey.
Yeah.
So sometimes I do engage with these tags, sometimes I don't. It's a battle sometimes. But I'm happy where I am. I'm
Right.
happy the kind of work I've been offered, the opportunities which are coming my way.
Right. You know, earlier 90s and 2000s, everybody used to say it is a male-dominated industry, and you know the Khans were there, Akshay Kumar, and all the. It was also male-led. But I feel today is also that. Though women are getting a lot more work and good work, today is also all about, you know, the 3-4 actors who are leading the pack and getting these kind of crazy numbers. Say you take Dhurandhar also, it's a Ranveer Singh film. Ab ye saal everybody is waiting for a Ramayana, which will be a Ranveer Kapoor film. We still are a male-dominated industry.
Yes, we are. I think it's in our culture. You know, it won't be. You can't eradicate it in a decade or in a. It will take time. It is deeply rooted, and it's okay. I mean, we've been brought up, grown up in such atmosphere.
Yeah.
So I think we are doing all we can,
Yeah.
and we will reach somewhere. Changes are happening.
Yeah.
We witnessed changes, and I think this is a wonderful phase. There is a lot to look forward to, though.
Right. We have progress. We have the fact that, you know,
Yes.
we are sitting here talking about all your amazing work, and also say a Dabba Khattal, which had you, Shalini, and so many other wonderful
Yeah.
actors. So I think we have
Yes.
progress. It's just the numbers that if there'll be one movie, female-led movie,
Yes.
which gets that kind of numbers, people will, I think, put in a lot more.
Yeah. And it will happen. Our women are amazing.
Yeah,
I love
absolutely.
PC. I love Deepika. I love Alia. They're amazing. I think I have a lot of expectations.
All these three that you named have that fire, and of course they have
Yes.
great talent. But you know, like, yeah, look at, say, someone like PC, where
They're gutsy. Yeah.
they are gutsy.
You require guts to
Yeah.
change something.
What would you like to take from them if there was one quality that you like? This is what I want.
From PC, I think I don't know, she puts you at your place, you
Yeah.
know, if you try and get smart. And
Yeah.
I think she's earned it.
Yeah,
And
she's earned it.
the display of it is very elegant and very smart. I really like that. The
nice.
way she holds herself. Deepika, I think her softer side, which we had not seen,
Right.
I quite like that. I'd
Nice.
take that from her. And from Alia, I don't know. She's beautiful.
Yeah,
And she's a great performer.
Yeah.
I'd love to take notes what she does, how she preps before
Yeah.
her performance. I'd love that.
And the choices, I think, have been
Yes,
like of movies
yes,
have been
yes.
amazing. You know, if there's one change as an actor that you would like while you're working to see कि ये change आएगा, तो I'll be very happy while we all are around in your industry.
There should be amazing collaborations. For example, A.R. Rahman and Mr. Uh, Zimmer, Hans Zimmer.
Okay, yeah.
I think it's
Yeah,
an amazing
yeah,
collaboration.
yeah.
ये 10 साल पहले क्यों नहीं
क्यों
हुआ?
नहीं हुआ, right.
ये 5 साल पहले
हाँ,
क्यों नहीं हुआ?
yeah.
ऐसे लगता है पर हुआ है.
हुआ.
That's amazing. And I think we need more of such collaborations. We need more female directors.
Yeah, that's true. There aren't that many. Correct.
We need more amazing writers.
Yeah.
So we have,
Hmm.
and we need more line blurring situations. Like industry regions ke lines blur
blur
hoke
होना
we
चाहिए,
are on
right.
a same platform, like as an Indian cinema or Indian actor.
Right, right. No, these are great. Absolutely. I hope people are listening, and these are the changes
Yeah.
we all would like to see. When when you're looking for work, when you're looking for a film, are you someone who will message a filmmaker and say you want to meet, and are you that person who will go out calling
Yes,
them? Yeah.
yes. If I see an interesting film,
Being made.
it really, I mean, I like appreciating
Yeah.
when the work is good,
Okay, so-
regardless who that person is.
Mm-hmm.
So yes, I do message people who I know, who I don't know, that I'm so and so, and I'd love to be a part of whatever you're doing. Yes, I do that.
Right. What all do you say yes to, and what all do you say no to? जब आपके पास कोई ऑफर आता है, तो किस चीज़ को आप पहले हाँ बोलोगे?
On surface, I think something that I have already done, I wouldn't want to do it.
Okay.
Or something that it seems like it is like that, but it has a twist maybe.
Okay.
That I will do. Baki, it's a very instinctive process. One thing I find very interesting, sometimes this process is sort of influenced by what you are or how you are in your life. And that is interesting. I mean, there ऐसा लगता है कि real और real life mix हो रहा है क्या?
Right.
तो हाँ, ये सारी चीजें हैं.
Right. But is there is there a genre? Is there a is there is there a genre that you'll say no to because you don't like it, or is there a genre that you are waiting to do? Which
I am waiting to do a nice thriller, like
a thriller, yeah.
Thriller.
Are you that viewer who likes to watch thriller?
I get scared. I don't like horror, but थोड़ा scary thriller भी मुझे डर लगता है. But
अच्छा.
I love this genre. It's a very interesting genre. It lets you play a lot. I feel playing ground is bigger. I'd like to do something historic. I've never done anything
nice.
historic.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, and I think that's something that people can easily cast you. And I don't know, people like me can see you in so many other so many roles.
Have you seen this film called YOLO?
I have heard about it. I don't remember.
It's on Netflix.
Okay, no, I have not seen.
It's an amazing film.
Okay.
It's about a girl. I mean, you watch it. I
Okay.
I would love to do something like that.
Okay. How interesting. Is this, you've been acting for a while now. I think all our generation was very easy to please. जो भी बनाते थे हम थिएटर जाके enjoy करते थे, ताली बजाते थे, खुश हो जाते थे. Today's audience is very tough to please because they see top quality on their phone. They see everything like is top quality. Do you keep this in mind that, boss, now we have to all up our game now?
100%. I think all an actor wants is for him to watch the entire world how he performs, right? And I think the more number of people will watch, it's like it's a great feeling. It's like a blessing.
Right.
And हाँ ये ख्याल आता है, but at the end of the day, you are hopelessly optimistic and you want to keep doing what you love. So people who love films will always keep making films.
Yeah.
And I think films, cricket are a part of our culture, our blood. I don't think it's going anywhere.
Right.
No matter what trends come and go.
Are we even, you know, are we even watching them properly? In a theater, we are literally with our phones. And the minute I'm bored, I'm like back to watching reels or something like that. Uh, a lot of actors who I talk to have a problem with this. And filmmakers को तो बहुत गुस्सा आता है कि तुम phone लेके जाओ ही मत theater. What kind of an audience are you? Are you also tough to please?
No, I can be easily pleased. I love going for movies all by myself.
Oh, you go by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay.
I love it.
What did you watch last theater में?
This Sinners.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Sinners.
It's really a different
Yeah,
movie.
Sinners. So yeah, and I am that kind of an audience who would not touch her phone
Okay.
interval se pehle.
Hmm.
And of course, you get irritated if somebody is checking their phone. However, like I
Yeah.
said, हमारे
Yeah.
हाथ में और control में इतना
Control
ही
में,
है कि
right.
we keep at it.
Right. Is Sinners your kind of viewing, or did you?
Yes.
Yeah.
It is.
Uh-huh.
I watch a lot of films on Mubi also.
Okay.
There is a film called Perfect Days.
Mhm.
It's a lovely film.
Okay.
So yes, all kinds of films I watch except for horror.
Except for horror, right? So you know, can you plan things? Can we, like you said, ki I don't want to repeat what I've done. I mean, I know it's in your hands, but can you spread it out? कि एक मेरी कॉमेडी आनी चाहिए, एक मेरी थ्रिलर आनी चाहिए. एक एक्टर के हाथ में ये होता है.
दिल में हाँ, on paper no.
But it can't be in your
No,
hand.
you can only pray.
Yeah, you can only.
Because there are a lot of things. Post में कितना time जा रहा है?
हाँ,
What the production
this is
house
not in an
wants?
actor's hand.
What is their preferred date?
Hmm.
What is the platforms lineup? There are a lot of factors which contribute and decide this.
Right.
So your only job is to do it with all your heart and pray that you know it gets spread.
Right.
That's it. That's all you can do.
Right. Are you used to fame and attention?
Oh, that's a good question. Yes and no.
Okay.
Yes and no. Sometimes you can detach from it. Sometimes you can't. But I think with experience, with age, with life,
Yeah.
you can learn to
Yeah.
sort of
Balance it. Right.
Sometimes it's impossible, but yes.
True. Like Luck by Chance has that dialogue where Shah Rukh comes in one scene and Farhan Akhtar is this looking at him with awe, and he tells him, ये एक नशा है.
हाँ, I mean, when I think of it, कल अगर बहुत सालों बाद if I walk somewhere, if I walk in a restaurant and people don't look at me, 3 सेकंड के लिए कुछ तो होगा.
Of course, right.
You know,
Yeah,
I'm a
yeah.
human being.
Yeah.
और I think हर एक्टर को कुछ होगा.
Yeah.
इतना कोई detached और महान नहीं
नहीं
हो
हो
सकता है
सकता है.
कि
Yeah, बिल्कुल.
I mean हो सकते हो आप, but it's a journey.
Correct. No, also this is your industry. You have put yourself out there
Yeah.
for them to fall in love with you, your characters over the
and
years.
it's an invisible relationship with your audience, right?
True.
It doesn't show, but
Hmm.
you're constantly interacting, you're constantly thinking about each other, and it's a nice relationship.
True. Do you interact with your fans? Where, like, would you reply on Instagram? Would you see what people are saying about
Yes,
you?
sometimes yes.
Yeah.
And I like replying to fans.
Yeah. Are you glad you were born at this time where you were, or you would be like, yeah, maybe one generation earlier also would have been great, or this generation that's out there, you would want to be born now?
Honestly, मुझे ना, I would love to experience when there was no technology in films, like no VFX, no focus
Yeah.
pulling,
Yeah.
no, I mean, अभी सारा advanced
अभी
है,
तो
no
बहुत-
digital
yeah,
cameras,
yeah.
no online edit,
Hmm.
all these things I would have loved to experience, because I think then the technical knowledge of an actor has to be far more than
Absolutely.
what we know,
Yeah.
I guess.
True.
And yeah, that'll be quite interesting.
And कोई schools नहीं थे for them to learn filmmaking.
Yeah, and you know, उनके अलग तभी trends थे.
Yeah.
You know, everything,
Right.
everything. There were
And
no filters.
there-
There was nothing.
And there were so many incorrect
There were
things
no
they got away
beauty
with.
treatments.
Yeah, there were no beauty. Like, you know,
Nothing.
I remember Mr. Bachchan was telling a story. He said, you know, we were telling मनमोहन देसाई कि आप हमारे अकबर एंथनी में यहाँ से ब्लड जा रहा है, यहाँ से निकल रहा है, यहाँ से फिर 3 भाइयों के बाद मदर में जा रहा है वो ब्लड. And he's like, this is a medical monstrosity. What are you doing? He said, नहीं नहीं देखना audience. And that scene became a hit.
Yeah.
So they got away with also so much. That's true. Those times.
So,
Today, though, we are
simpler
reaching
times.
AI where you just put in something and आपको पूरा ready होके मिलेगा. Are you a big tech person and do you use tech?
Not at all. I don't own a laptop.
What?
I don't know how to use a laptop. Lot of Instagram functions also I still don't know.
Okay.
For me, your
Phone.
mobile is
Ah.
to talk and that's it. Message.
Do you not interested or do you think you're not good at it?
I'm not interested.
Okay.
I mean, I think if I can get this work done, I would rather get it done than do it.
That's true. So if you don't own a laptop, where would you read your scripts today? Everybody's sending scripts, digital copies everywhere.
I am old school. I ask for hard copies
copy.
and then I recycle them to make my rough notebooks.
Oh, nice. That is incredible. That's good. But yeah, it's so AI is not your scene only. कि ये तो फिलहाल तो interested
I
नहीं.
think it's going to be, of course, in some departments it will be revolutionary.
Right, yeah.
जैसे
True.
हर टेक्नोलॉजी के प्रोज एंड कॉन्स होते हैं, इसके भी प्रोज एंड कॉन्स होने वाले हैं, एंड यू विल वांट टू deal with both of them.
True,
It is
true.
as simple as that.
True. Are you interested in the movie business part of it? Do you track कि अरे धुरंधर चल गई, इतने कमा लिए, ये हिट हो गई, वो हिट हो गई, नहीं चली ये?
I track market trends.
Okay.
I know one thing for sure now, that your set formulas, your general formulas don't work now.
हाँ. True.
You know, it's quite
Tricky.
It is surprising. It is unpredictable,
Yeah.
and you can make a good film with newcomers,
Yeah.
new talent,
100.
with amazing script. I think scripts are becoming heroes,
heroes,
and it's a good sign.
Yeah.
It gives you a more freedom, I think.
Yeah. You like Matka King. I think it's very well written and all of you all are absolutely amazing.
Thank you. Hi, I'm Sai and you are watching me on Bollywood Hungama.